The anticipated prices of the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup, a key consideration for many buyers, seem to have surfaced through intricately detailed contest terms from French retailer Darty, disclosed by Spinox on X Twitter. While not explicitly mentioning the Samsung phones, deciphering the details suggests that the standard Galaxy S24 could come in at Euro $899, the Galaxy S24 Plus at Euro $1169, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra at Art $1469 specifically for buyers in France. Translating these costs to US amounts to $985, $1,281, and $1,610 respectively. Yet it's important to note that regional pricing variations and taxes might influence the final prices. For context, last year's Galaxy S23 series was released at Euro $959, Euro $1219, and Euro $1419 in France, as per insights from Tom's Guide France. These leaked prices, although potentially estimates from Darty rather than official MSRS, hint at Samsung's strategy, reducing the base and Plus models by Euro 50 compared to the previous series while elevating the Ultra by the same amount. This aligns with earlier rumors of a potential Ultra price increase in Europe while suggesting drops in prices for the Standard and Plus models. However, conflicting rumors have suggested that the Galaxy S24 series might maintain the same pricing as the Galaxy S23, adding to the uncertainty. Samsung's offering of a $50 discount for pre-order reservations ahead of the Galaxy Unpacked event adds a silver lining to the potentially higher prices, yet specifics on what the discount applies to remain undisclosed. The awaited Galaxy Unpacked event scheduled for January 17 promises to reveal the actual pricing of the Galaxy S24 series. So hopefully, regardless of Samsung's pricing strategy, it won't hinder the Galaxy S24's competition against the iPhone 15 series and Google Pixel 8, aiming to secure a spot on our best phones list.